Remove accessory drive. And intake. Remove the intake, the vacuum hoses, the alternator, and then the fuel connectors and everything, all the electrical connections, the radiator hose. So we got the intake, we got the valve covers off. Well, one of them, the fuel rail, and only one bolt stripped so far, which is actually super impressive. This one was broken. Or the valve covers at least cracked. And I had to bring a ton of tools, and you know what? There's still stuff I should have here. Bolt, and then there's other two, but take yourself a block of foam and pull them. Your push rods in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then go to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you put a piece of tape or a mark or something, or you could number it, but just place the tape on the front. So this goes in exactly how you see it. 13 millimeter. Break them all loose. All your head bolts, then pull them out. And if you can't get the exhaust manifold bolts out, what you do is you disconnect the pipes down at the bottom, and then you pull everything out with the manifold, and then you can work on it on the bench, which is a hell of a lot easier. You see that? That's a sign that it had a blown head gasket, and this coolant was blowing into here, and it had head gasket sealer in it. That's head gasket sealer trying to do its job. And you can also see that debris. That's atypical of an engine. I mean, that's a typical port. That's what it's going to look like. When it looks like that, someone put an egg in the radiator or a Flex Seal.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but what's happening is every bit of moisture that's on the surface of that metal is coming up. Hand tight, 30 foot-pounds, in a cross pattern, and then 90 foot-pounds, and then quarter turn, and then quarter turn. said, hey baby. Tape in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said I was giving you guys bad advice. Maybe if I put that in the wrong hole. Yeah, you gotta have to make sure they're lined up. This is a good way to keep track of which one's which. Put a styrofoam on it. That's fine. And there. That is seated. If anybody needs any head gaskets, let me know. I'll travel for the right price. And I mean to Florida, California, wherever you want me to go. So yeah, basically that's the same for each side.